Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, back again in Photo Lab with another YouTube video. So, in this tutorial, I forgot to say my intro. Shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models and muses out there. We got one here in studio. You keep me inspired. One love to all my supporters on social media. You keep me going. All right, so I'm here with Sanique. Say hello. Okay. And Sanique is going to help me demonstrate on today's video how to essentially pick the right color backdrop, the right shade of backdrop for any photo shoot, right? So what's a good thing to do is to first of all speak with the client beforehand, get to know what their theme is, what they have in mind. So you might get an idea of like which ones to have a bunch of backdrop roles here in the background. That might give you a good idea of which one to, I guess, have prepared right before the shoots, and maybe which one to put up first, because sometimes they might change their mind or something different might happen. They might have a last minute idea that you want to accommodate. So Sanique, do you want to stand up really quickly to show everybody? So Sanique is wearing some bright colors right now. I know we have some bright softbox lights hitting her, but it's kind of like a nice shade of pink. Originally, I had put up a pink backdrop, but in general, it depends on what the client wants. In general, what I found is that more neutral backdrops like white or gray or black or brown tend to be better with brighter colors if the client's wearing a brighter color. And more bright backdrops like orange or red or yellow might look a little bit better if the client is wearing a neutral like white or brown. So kind of like the opposite. You want their dress, their attire and their skin tone to kind of pop out from the background. But in general, a client might want something different from these general guidelines, so just communicate with them. They might want something else that's in line with their theme and what they had in mind. So that's what basically the theme of this photo shoot is, and that's what I kind of discovered when it comes to this. So I had put up the pink backdrop earlier, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop that one and put the white backdrop on or up so that we can start the photo shoot. All right, so I'm probably going to fast forward this part of the video. right, so hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as we did making it. So if you learned anything about this video, about picking the right backdrops and about photography, let me know in the comment section below. What have your experiences been with clients? Do you tend to use more neutral colored backdrops? Do you use more colorful ones? How do you decide which ones you choose? How many times do you change backdrops within photo shoots? Let me know. So please like this video, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please continue to support it. I appreciate all the support thus far. Share this with a friend who also likes photography. And yeah, just continue to support this channel. And Sanique here has her own channel too.
I do. It's Black Girl Big City, no spaces. So check out my channel. And yeah, I'll also have a video on this shoot on YouTube. So stay tuned for that.
All right. So please subscribe to both of our channels. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime we post a new video. And that's it. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Take care.